Rod, today our discussion will be about the real estate industry.
This week binagbabasa na ako about real estate. And ngayon, ito yung i-discuss natin sa ating mga listeners.
I really love actually about what we're doing. We have different industry every week. So last week we have Rebecca Bustamante,
Yes.
the maid who made it.
Oo.
Right? It's very overwhelming.
Ang daming mga positive feedback sa atin nung nag-guest natin sila. Pati
Yes, and they're also looking forward actually with a YouTube
Mm,
that
oo.
I love also to watch once
Yes,
more
yes,
kasi
oo.
it's really that informative.
isi-share pala natin yung ating mga links sa YouTube account at isi-share natin sa Twitter and Facebook account natin.
That's true. But for today actually, malapit kasi sa puso ko ito talagang company na to.
Oo,
Because remember that 2 years ago,
2 years ago, I
they're
remember.
with us
Yes.
in Laguna.
Oo, dun sa ating Laguna Vlogging
Laguna
Summit.
Vlogging Summit
We were-
na third year na sa ngayon. So for 2015, it's our 4th year.
Okay.
It's very well attended. For the
Oo.
first 3 years,
Ang daming
we had
umattend.
1,000 visitors or attendees in different industries pa yung pinanggalingan, right?
Wow. Kasi sobrang overwhelming na experience. At saka, ang guest natin ngayon, yun nga, kasama natin siya before sa Laguna Vlogging Summit. At ngayon,
Yung company, as in
nung
total
company
full
mismo.
support.
Oo.
Yes,
Hindi
at
ko yun
nabigla naman
makakalimutan.
tayo, hindi ko rin makakalimutan. So, pakilala muna natin itong company na to bago itong ating Chief Operating Officer or Executive Vice President
Sige,
who's
Grace.
with us right now. Imagine that.
Okay.
Yes. So actually, okay, we're welcoming Property Company of Friends Incorporated or ProFriends.
Yep.
Was founded in 1999 by a group of friends who believe in creating communities and transforming lives of the Filipino families. With head office address at 55 Tino Street, Mandaluyong City, the company aims to give the best dream home package with unmatched convenience in strategic locations at friendly rates. From small pocket developments, which is less than 70 hectares, to estate development, which is more than 800 hectares, to medium-rise condominiums and townhouses, ProFriends has ventured into estate development to meet the different tastes and needs of the Filipino home buyers.
Oh.
In a span of 12 years, they have finished and delivered 52 projects. Imagine that. Provided more than 30,000 quality homes with 36 ongoing horizontal projects this year.
Okay.
And I think I know the very popular right now. That's why talagang super duper na nakilala itong ProFriends. Yung kanilang
Sa kanilang-
I Do.
Oo naman.
Pinanood mo ba yun,
Oo,
Ron?
nanonood ako ng I Do every weekend. Kaya alam ko ang ProFriends kilala talaga siya.
Makikita mo everywhere. As in totally, na marinig mo sa radio. And then dun sa SLEX, nakikita ko yung mga banners nila.
Oo, no? sa
Very
SLEX,
well.
nandiyan-
Ang magaling
nandiyan
yung
sila
marketing nila. Tanong ko baka merong opening date.
lahat. Oo, sige, mamaya.
Yes. So, pakilala natin, of course, yung pinakamamahal natin. We have the Executive Vice President and the Chief Operating Officer of Property Company of Friends Incorporated or ProFriends. Let's welcome Augusto Leonardo Jr. or Gas.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Great morning, Rod.
Hello.
Great morning, Grace.
Grace,
At
yes.
sa ProFriends, ang batian namin, it's always
Morning.
great morning, regardless whether it's afternoon or evening. It's always morning.
Ako din parang
I love it.
Yes, I used to work at a certain company na we always greet each other morning talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi parang yung energy dapat nandun no?
That's true. Yes. So, pag-usapan natin ngayon, itong real estate industry. That's why nga rin na we're very overwhelmed na ang in-invite talaga natin is itong ProFriends,
Yes.
di ba? So, yung real estate, the real estate profession has expanded and offers one of the widest career selections in the business world today.
Okay.
Napaka-wide talaga itong real estate. So, pag natapos natin, why not? Yung 10 careers
Oo
under
naman.
real estate. Pero okay, pag-usapan muna natin, ano ba po itong ProFriends
Oo.
aside dito sa akin, nasabi na sa ating mga listeners?
Oo, para mas maintindihan ng ating mga listeners.
Okay, ProFriends is really a developer, no? But one thing about our company, we just don't develop subdivisions or
Okay.
construct houses. Just like what Grace mentioned a while ago, we create communities and we transform lives
Wow.
in the way we develop, the way we offer yung ating mga
So hindi lang more on building
For residential, not just, for buildings, sa offices, they create lives
Community.
siguro. Community
Ganda nun,
talaga.
ganda nun.
Oo. Sige, sir. Ano pa po?
Grace mentioned that, yeah, we built over 30,000 houses. But see, those are number of houses. And we always take into account, alam nyo, behind those numbers, nung mga ginagawa namin, dami ng bahay na yan, are faces. These are people.
Yeah.
And we're so conscious about what they want, what they need. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, they spend their hard-earned money. And you know, the biggest single investment of a family is a house and land.
True, true. Saka kasi malaking investment talaga to. It's not just bumili ka lang ng a certain property. It's really your whole life na nakataya.
Yeah, it's your life, and then the future also, nandun na rin eh. Kasi you're building your home, your house with your family.
Yeah, that's why it's...
So, piniprepare talaga,
Oo,
di ba?
prepare talaga.
And Pro Friends is giving a lot, not just a house, but a home. Kaya nga, building a community.
Yeah,
Well, pero sir, when we say real estate industry, is it a booming industry here in the Philippines?
Right now, real estate industry, it's a booming and vibrant industry, well, in the first place, alam naman natin, we are faced nationwide. There's a backlog
Yep.
from the very beginning. The backlog is, in millions of houses. Marami pa tayong kababayan na nangangailangan ng bahay at lupa. So if you say, the demand will always be there because of the number of people who needs house and
Houses.
lots. And right now, mas maganda pa nga ang panahon ngayon. I think you're all familiar, di ba? Ang ating, what we've been hearing, the report, the gross domestic product natin, we're one of the highest in the region, in Asia. And every time there's this growth that we're experiencing, there will be more people who will have disposable income, and they can now afford to buy houses. Kanina nabanggit nyo na big single investment nga, but it's not just really the house. Minsan, bahay at lupa, if you really think about it, mas mahal pa nga sa atang brand new car eh. If you think about it eh.
Yes. Okay.
Di ba? I mean,
And it's like a luxury. You really need to have that, yung car.
yeah, but
usually.
Basically, you need a home first because that's
Yes,
where you're gonna
yes.
have your interaction with your family eh,
That's
di ba? You need a roof over your head, right? As they say.
So, hindi talaga nauubusan ng projects ang Pro Friends. I'm sure.
We are here, basically, one of our mission, like I said, is to create communities, and in so doing, we try to service the needs as much as possible. We're not only in Luzon, no? We're in Cavite. Our flagship project is there, the Lancaster New City. But we also have a project in Pampanga. We have a big development as well in Iloilo province, in Pabia City. And we're about to open also a new project in Cagayan de Oro. So we're all over.
Wow, and that's since 1999.
Since 99, 15 years in existence. And what do we have to speak about? Over 30,000 houses
Since
already.
it's a booming industry right now, the real estate industry, how many percentage po itong industry na ito in terms of all the industries that we have here in the Philippines? Since a lot of Filipinos have, still have a demand for that.
Well, let me put it this way. In terms of industry, because I don't have the exact figure with me right now kung what part of housing or real estate is. But we all know that the basic needs of man is what? Food, clothing, and shelter.
Yes,
And that's 1/3 of the basic, at least. After food and clothing, people need shelter.
So, sir, since ang tagal na rin palang na-establish ng Pro Friends, ano-ano po ba yung mga position, gaano po kalaki na ngayon ng Pro Friends?
In terms of what?
In terms of
Manpower.
We have about over 1,000 personnel right now under our employ. I think it's about 1,100, 1,200 right now.
Kasi Grace, later on, tatanong din natin kay sir, yung mga opportunities in real estate. So probably,
Mga career na
pwede
pwedeng
nilang applyan.
kuhanin ng mga gagraduate.
Yes, yes.
Oo, sa this coming 2015, right? Okay, pag-usapan natin yung real estate. Ano po kaya yung edukasyon na kailangan ng mga estudyante o paghahanda bago ka mapapunta dito sa real estate
Or
industry?
ng isang job seeker, di ba?
Opo, kailangan po ba na commerce graduate ka? What are the background?
Okay, for our company, I can speak for our company and in the industry,
Yeah.
like a developer.
Sir.
It needs all the disciplines at the moment. You need people in marketing, you need people in sales, you need people in production, construction, and then you need people in management side, of course, to handle the people, and you need people in finance and accounting.
So, a lot.
So
Oo,
practically
marami.
all.
May
all-
opening
all
po
the
ba sa
disciplines.
finance at marketing?
Oh, definitely. There will always be an opening.
Oo, kasi malaki yung sinasakop nitong real estate, no?
Alright.
Kumbaga, isa siyang buong kumpanya at lahat ng position available sa real estate.
That's
Kaya
true.
may finance, may marketing, may management, lahat kaya
Hindi lang
nilang-
sa engineering,
Hindi lang sa
di ba?
engineering.
Kasi
totoo.
construction.
Oo.
Okay, dun po sa mga bago nakikinig sa ngayon, this is Let's Talk About Career. And pwede po kayo mag-send ng inyong mga katanungan
Yes.
through 0998-975-1368. At kami po ay also mapapanood via live stream dito po sa www.radiouno.com.ph.
O kaya naman sa landline, pwede rin sila tumawag sa 861-6947.
Okay, so yung pong advantage naman, bakit po kaya kukuhanin nitong mga estudyanteng ito? Or bakit sila magkakaroon ng goal to be in a real estate industry?
It's an exciting and rewarding
Career.
industry to be in, no, in the first place, because you know, in any career, di ba? It always required, like, you have to be a self-starter. You have to
Yeah.
be motivated. You have to have a passion into what you're doing. Why do I say it's rewarding? Like, can I cite an example? Like, for example, in sales, no? You do well in selling. You can be a millionaire in a year or
Yes,
two, no?
that's true.
But more than being a millionaire, more than the money, I guess it's the joy, the happiness that you're able to be the conduit,
Yes.
no? Ikaw yung naging daan para magkaroon ng bahay at lupa o tahanan ng isang ating kababayan, no? And so there's, at the same time, there's monetary consideration, but I think there's also that psychic income that you were able to provide or be the channel, no?
Okay.
For somebody to own a
ibig po
house.
sabihin, any degree sa college, okay lang.
Okay
Walang
lang.
pinipilit.
Well, for
Kasi,
construction,
oh.
basically engineering, no, for sales, basically business. But you can also, we have under-employed nurses, you know.
Oo, kasi nagko-qualify din sila on certain skills eh.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
in any degree naman, di ba, basic naman yung people relationship eh.
That's true.
So in real estate selling, there's a lot of relationship between and amongst people. So it can be any field.
Yes. Actually, sir, meron po nag-text sa atin ngayon ng ating friends sa People's Management Association of the Philippines or
PMAP.
PMAP. Yes, under Richard Mamuyak.
Hello, Richard.
Ito po yung tanong niya, what characteristic one should possess in order to succeed in the real estate industry?
I mentioned earlier, self-starter, motivation, must have the passion. Okay? It's basic. Kahit siguro anong field, anong career, no? You have to put your heart into it, in what you're doing. And at the same time, you should look at it not just simply as work. No?
Yes, totoo po.
Not just simply as work, but you should be able to see why your mission behind what you're doing. No? And they always say, kailangan daw sipag. Yes, kailangan din ng sipag.
Of course.
Naman.
Dapat talaga masipag ka.
But, you know, at the end of the day, if you have the passion and you have the heart, I think the more important thing is you must have your heart into what you want to do, regardless of the career,
in
regardless
any
of the,
industry.
in any industry.
Yeah.
That's true. So, kailangan natin dito, of course, everyone naman who likes to be successful, first you need to have the passion,
Yan ang
heart,
pinaka-basic.
you know your goal, and I think kasama na rin natin na you should be ambitious.
Oo
something
naman.
like, and that's not just in a real estate industry, but in all industries.
And if I may add lang, maybe something particular about real estate, you have to be persistent.
In real estate.
Ay, oo, no, kasi ito ang
you have to be really
industry
good in
na
it. But-
negotiation.
But over and above being persistent, you have to be honest.
Okay.
We always inculcate, especially in our salespeople, we inculcate honesty. Please, we tell them, do not add to what we would want to deliver to our homeowners. Do not add or do not subtract from it. Just be honest and be truthful about it.
Usually,
That's
sir,
importante.
like in Lancaster, how many properties do we have?
Well, I mean, what with different house types. We have different house types
For
that ranges from 870,000 pesos to all the way to about 3 million. intervals of about 400 to 500,000. So we have practically house types that cater to the different affordability levels ng ating kababayan.
Different need, depende sa
Different need,
pangailangan.
But one thing we can say about our house and lots, regardless of the size, we basically offer 3 bedrooms. And there's a reason for that.
Usually
okay.
3 bedrooms.
Normally, it's usually 3 bedrooms. And there's a reason for that. One, there has to be a bedroom for the parents. We have to respect the sanctity of the marriage.
Yeah.
So, we try to discourage.
So, yun talaga
of course,
yung
the
ano,
children. And then there's a provision for the boys' room and the children's room. I mean, the girls' room. That's why basically, with us, we take into account what the Filipinos really value. A place where they can siguro, even how small it may be, but a place where they can interact during dinner time.
Yes, yes.
And that's how we like to promote family values. We're so particular about that.
Ganun ang pro-friends. Talagang
Like in
with heart.
Lancaster UCT, if I may mention, there are 5 components there. There's the live, learn, play, work, and worship. It's a
Ayun.
holistic development.
Isang buong ano siya talaga.
Oo.
Grace, so mag-break muna tayo sa ilang pagkatapos sa ilang paalala natin, pag-uusapan natin yung mga specific project ng Pro Friends at saka bakit nga ba Pro Friends yung pangalan na pinili nila.
Yes, at kung anong advantage na nasa real estate
Oo, sa industry.
ang isang tao o magtatrabaho
And at the same
in real
time,
estate. Yes.
mag-a-announce tayo ng mga job openings later din.
Yes.
So magbabalik po ang Let's Talk About Career.
Ang larong minahal ni lolo't ni lola, nanay at tatay. 80 taon nang nagbibigay ligaya sa mga Pilipino. And for the new generation, introducing